So you'll notice that the original figure is 2 units tall, and it's also 2 units wide. So that's going to give us a good base point for when we look at the other figures. The other thing we notice about it is it's straight up and down. The middle of it is right in the middle. There's the same amount on either side when we go through the top point. So if we look at figure 2, figure 2 right here is 1, 2, 3, 4 units high and 4 units wide. And if we go straight up through the top, it hasn't been stretched at all. So figure 2 looks like one here that is definitely one of them. When we go to figure 1, we'll notice that figure 1 is 2 units wide, but it is 4 units tall. So unfortunately, that one is not the same. Figure 3, if we tried it, we can just look at it. We can try to go straight up through this middle part right here. It's not the same. It doesn't have the same amount on either side. It's kind of pushed to the side, so definitely not that one. And if we go to figure 4, it is 1 unit by 1 unit with the same ratio. And if we go straight up through the middle, it's got the same amount on both sides. So yes, that one. Figure 4, here, let's circle it. Figure 4 and figure 2 are the same as the original figure.